Greetings to everyone. It is unfortunate that we could not sit tightly in the same hall and enjoy the show together, but a virus still cannot stop us from showering the teachers with our affection. What you are going to see now will take you back to some carefree moments where you only focused on enjoying your life as a teacher. This virtual presentation wraps in itself nostalgia, gratitude, experiences, and a lot of affection. We hope you enjoy it. I was not someone who readily shot up her hand to answer teachers' question. My insides still twist and turn when I try to answer a question, but I know for a fact that I am much more confident now. Only because all my teachers have taught me that making a mistake is completely okay. Keeping all sorts of successes aside, I know that I will always strive to be a good human being with high moral values, because I am the proud student of the teachers of J.H. Tarapur School.
I love you a lot, and whatever I am, whatever I will be, shall be only because of you. Thank you so much. I love you so much, and I'm going to miss you a lot. Wish you a very, very, very happy teacher.
I can speak confidently now is because the first time I fumbled, I found my teachers motivating me. The first time I mispronounced a word, I found my teachers correcting me. Whatever I am today, it is because of my teachers. A very happy Teachers' Day to all my beloved.
Teachers are like candles. Without thinking about themselves, they light the way for others. Dear teachers, for all the hard work and efforts that you have invested to bring out the best in us can never be repaid in mere words. We are always thankful and grateful to you. A very happy Teachers' Day to all the lovely teachers.
You can do it. This is how my teachers have always motivated me to try new things. From the very first day of my school to this last year, my teachers have always been there, cheering and encouraging me to explore unleash my abilities. The girl standing in front of you, confident enough to speak, is completely different from the one 14 years back. This is all because of you. A big thank you to my teachers and a very happy Teachers' Day.
Thank you, teachers. Thank you, teachers. Thank you, teachers. Thank you, teachers.
Thank you so much, teacher.
Thank you, teachers. Thank you, teachers.
Thank you, teachers.
Thank you, teachers. Thank you, teachers. Thank you, teachers.
Thank you, teachers.
Thank you, teachers.
Thank you, teachers. Thank you, teachers. Thank you, teachers.
Thank you, teachers.
Thank you, teachers.
Thank you, teachers.
Thank you, teachers.
Thank you, teacher.